Hi, I'm Brian from Recreation Hobbies here, and today we're going to unbox the brand new TR-SC10E that Redcat Racing has come out with. Before we unbox it, we'll go ahead and let you guys see the box here. It does have a brushless motor at 3660 at 4300 kV, four-wheel drive, center diff. It's 20 inches. 20 and 3/4 inches long, 11.5 inches wide, 8.6 inches tall. Now its wheelbase is 13 and 3/4 inches. Its weight's 5.3 pounds. The shocks are aluminum cap, plastic body, coilover shocks, so you don't get full aluminum shocks with it. The speed controller is an 80 amp. I do believe it's the Hobby Wing Max 10 speed controller that does come with it. The radio is a 2.4 gigahertz. It's the standard RC2R radio that Hobby Wing has. The model, well, just like all Team Redcat stuff, it is a Dean's connector or T-plug plugging in. So here's a nice, wonderful box that it comes in for you. What's included: the truck, the radio. What is needed are the 4 AA's for the transmitter, a 2S3S LiPo battery, and a LiPo compatible charger. If you do go to our website, we do have bundles, and we'll get to those here in a little bit later. But the bundles are nice. Save you a little bit of money on them. Here's a list of all the parts that they show as being, their highlights in the model. So now, all that out of the way, let's go ahead and take this top off. There's the pretty new TR-SC10E truck. So, this in the bag here, we've got the RCR2CE radio. Ooh, bumped the camera there. It's a nice radio. I really like these radios. We're ready to run. It's a pretty nice radio. It's got steering reverse, throttle reverse, the binding port, steering trim, throttle trim, and the dual rate for the steering, and of course the on-off switch. 4 AA's, pops right in the bottom there. Charging port, but it's a nice radio. It's got a good feel to it. Nice rubber on the grip. Also in that bag, if you care to use it, is the antenna tube, and it also comes with a bind plug. If you ever have to rebind it for whatever reason, you got it. Now this truck's been out of the box once. When it does come, as you can see, it'll be zip tied in there, so it'll actually all come out with this. So also in there are spare parts. Well, not really spare parts. You've got some anti-squats, thicker anti-squats for the front and rear. Shock spacers, since they're not threaded shocks in the truck. You've also got different inserts for your shocks, 1-hole and 2-hole to adjust your dampening. Gives you a hex. Gives you an antenna nut in there also. So definitely get some goodies with it. That way you can go race. Comes with the manual. And just like a lot of the other newer Redcat trucks, they're coming a long ways with their manuals, a lot better manuals. When you get it, definitely take a look through it, because it even gives you the manual for that new Max 10 speed controller that's in it. So. Now let's look at the truck and let's get this lid off. Oh, and there she is in all her glory. The new TR-SC10. There's a nice front view of it. Already come pre-oiled. It's got nice foam in the tires. They're actually really nice tires. You can see that. They'll work decently on a lot of the clay tracks that are out there. Get that nice Max 10 speed controller there. Of course, the Dean's connection. The 3660 motor there, brushless motor. The Hexfly, the 15S, the waterproof servo. It's a pretty good servo right out the box. And of course, you've got the waterproof case that the receiver's in. So overall, pretty nice. It does have shields to protect the chassis from getting too much dirt on it. Chassis itself is nice aluminum, nice thick aluminum. Same with the rear. You got nice dampening right out the box. Almost a little stiffer than what I would like, but we'll see. We're actually going to do some running videos with this thing. You get the Redcat straps. It gets rid of that stupid battery tray with the hard plastic top. A lot more user friendly. Overall, I mean, it's a nice truck. Redcat's definitely doing some work, especially this Team Redcat line. So that is the TR-SC10. Yeah, hang around for a little while. We're actually going to take this outside while there's no snow on the ground here in Michigan and do some laps. We're also going to take it down to the local clay track. We're going to run it a few times in that clay track. I'll let some other people run it, check and see what they think of it. We'll get some nice action shots for you guys. And that's about it. If you'd like to purchase it, you can always come to us at recreationhobbycenter.com. Get it right from us. And like I said, we've got some really nice combos, some bundles where you can get the Hexfly 403 charger along with some Gen's Ace battery pack, 700 or 7,000 milliamp battery pack. So, you know, lots of long run time with it. And we'll go through and we'll do a few runs with it. And we'll let you know what we think of it. Talk to you guys soon.